butterflies fly. Watch my daddy wave from a cab rolling by. Mama packed his lunch in a paper sack. I swore one day I'd be driving back. Built toy trucks in the yard, learned gears and grease. Heard tales of the road that never cease. Got my first run at 23. Felt the wheel and it set me free. This is truck driving country, where the strong survive, where a boy finds his manhood behind the drive. Through the storms, through the heat, through the midnight rain, I grew up with the hum of a diesel train. Yeah, truck driving country, the road raised me. I've missed a few birthdays, lost some sleep, but I made my living rolling deep. From coast to coast, through dust and snow, this cab's the only life I know. Now my boy stands tall, watches me go, waves from the porch in the morning glow. And I see myself in his eyes so wide, dreaming of the day he'll take this ride. This is truck driving country, where dreams run wild, where a rig and a road raise a small town child. From the blacktop roots to the silver chrome, I found my place and I found my home. Yeah, truck driving country, the road raised me. And a dream, rolling out of Georgia in a second-hand machine. Had a map in my pocket and freedom in my bones, but I didn't know that night I'd find a love of my own. She was working at a diner off of I-95, hair tied back, eyes full of fire and drive. I asked for coffee, she brought a smile instead. And I knew right then where my heart had been led. Truck driving country and a girl so sweet. Met her in the summer heat on a two-lane street. Didn't have money, didn't have time, but we danced all night by the dashboard light. Yeah, young love burns like a midnight sign out here. Truck driving country on the line. We'd talk on the phone when I hit the next town. She'd write little notes when the world got me down. Said she'd wait, and for a while she did. But wheels keep turning like they always did. But I still recall that summer of love every time night falls. Truck driving country and a girl long gone, but her name still lingers in a highway song. She taught me love in the briefest light, like a sunrise fading into night. Yeah, the road moved on, but a part of me stays with her in that diner, wild and free. Truck driving country, where young hearts flee. Through Tennessee, just a rookie on the highway, feeling wild and free. Stopped at a diner just past mile 82. That's the night I found her waiting till stretch of road. Told me she was saving up to leave that zip code. We talked till the jukebox played its final tune. Two hearts on the run beneath that southern moon. Truck driving country where the wheels never slow. Sometimes you find love in the places you go. I didn't plan it, I just let it unfold. Like a soft-spoken story that's quietly told. She kissed me once in the heat of July. Then I drove off beneath the Carolina sky. Yeah, truck driving country gave me love on the fly. We kept in touch through postcards and late night calls. I'd pull off just to hear her voice in motel halls. She said, maybe someday I'll ride beside you too. But life had other plans we never quite knew. Last I heard, she moved on to Baton Rouge, married a preacher and kicked off her shoes. And me, I kept riding, chasing miles in chrome, with a heart full of diesel and a love long gone. Truck driving country where the road takes its toll. Young love burns bright but can't always hold. Like headlights fading in the rear view glass. Some things are too wild, too sweet to last. She kissed me once in the heat of July. Now I chase memories beneath this open sky. Yeah, truck driving country, just me and goodbye. I still stop at that diner now and then, drink a cup of black and think back when. No regrets, just a ghost in my lane. Love comes and goes like the midnight train. Truck driving country, it gives and it takes. Leaves tire tracks across the heart it breaks. I keep her smile in a locket of time, somewhere between the state line signs. She kissed me once, it still gets me by when I'm rolling lonely beneath the starry sky. Yeah, truck driving country, first love and goodbye. Dusty boots on the pedal, a radio hums a familiar tune. The night stretched out before me, and the stars light up the moon. Every town's a memory of faces I used to know, but the road keeps calling me wherever the big wheels go. It's a long road home with miles and miles to roam, but every highway leads me back to you no matter what I'm going through. It's a long road home, but I'm never alone. With every mile I'm holding on till I'm where I belong. The diesel's roar is comfort, and the open sky's my guide. I'm carrying more than freight, I'm carrying love inside. It's a long road home, miles and miles to roam, but every highway leads me back to you no matter what I'm going through. It's a long road home, but I'm never alone. With every mile I'm holding on till I'm where This road's been my home long. I'm a back road rider, chasing down the sun, with the wind at my window and a job that's never done. From the dusty fields to the neon lights, I keep on trucking through those country nights. Coffee's brewing strong, radio's playing loud, passing through small towns, blending with the crowd. The open road's my lady, she's wild and free, and every time I'm rolling, that's where I wanna be. I'm a back road rider, chasing down the sun, with the wind at my window and a job that's never done. From the dusty fields to the neon lights, I keep on trucking through those country nights. Some say it's lonely, but I know the truth. This life's a highway, and I'm living proof. I'm a back road rider, chasing down the sun, with the wind at my window and a job that's never done. From the dusty fields to the neon lights, I keep on trucking through those country nights. Heading on my windshield, coffee strong, I'm ready to feel the rumble of this big old rig and the miles that make my spirit big. Keep on rolling down the highway, 18 wheels and a brand new day. From the mountains to the coast, this life's the one I love the most. Keep on rolling through the night with the stars and the radio light. No matter where the road may be, I'm a trucker till the very end. Tailgate stories, diner stops, late night talks and coffee pots. Family waits back at home, but this big rig's where I roam. Keep on rolling down the highway, 18 wheels and a brand new day. From the mountains to the coast, this life's the one I love the most. Keep on rolling through the night with the stars and the radio light. No matter where the road may bend, I'm a trucker till the very end. Sometimes the road feels long and cold,